He's not piercing it yet.
No, I will not pierce you unless you know what I'm doing.
Do you want to hold my hand? Oh my god. I'm gonna have to get my hand amputated.
Possibly.
Don't make me laugh.
I'm not, it's funny.
No, she's making me laugh. Qué valientita ya que llorar. Ow.
Does it actually hurt?
It's like pinching. Is it like the tighter, like the better? Cause like...
That's what most guys think. Oh, I'm piercing. No.
Oh my god.
That'll look better. Doesn't hurt so much?
No. Oh my gosh.
Alright, you ready?
Wait, okay, hold on, wait.
Don't hyperventilate.
Hold on, wait.
He doesn't even have it in there.
Yeah.
He doesn't even have it in his hand. Why are you shaking?
Okay.
Pierce my lip, I'm all cold and
Close your,
stuff.
just hold on to the chair.
My belly button,
Hold on to the
The
chair.
only thing I ask is don't hit me in my junk. That's it, just don't bop. We're good.
Can I see the needle? Oh my gosh! Is it hollow?
Yeah. Does it take a chunk of your skin out? No. It actually makes the decision.
Hurry up.
Yeah, see? Even once I hurry up, come on.
Dude, just close your eyes. Kimberly, you only have 4 minutes.
Alright, you ready?
So, how much are your piercings?
Are you ready?
5, yes.
5, yes. Alright, deep breath in. Let it go.
How much for both the earlobes?
Both earlobes are 30.
It's there. Does it hurt? Are you okay?
That pinched heck hard.
Don't cry. Did it hurt?
Yes.
Really bad?
Yeah, totally. Look at her. She's screaming and crying. And
It's already, you already have the thing in.
yeah, you're almost done.
My hands are so sweaty.
Yeah.
It wasn't that bad. Was it?
Ya lista.
Yeah, she's like, you ready? Look at that. You ready to sit up? Here, let's sit you up. You don't look like you're going to pass out yet.
¿Por qué te lo vas a desinfectar?
What do I disinfect it with? You can stop recording.